हेलो लोगोफोर क्यूएज अफ नलेज अफ फिन नोंथांमोन गासैखौबो बरायनाय जाबाय। थांनाय 22 जानुवारि 2023 आव जानानै थांनाय DHS Grade 4 नि कुइसनफोरनि एन्सारखौ लानानै फैदों। सोर सोर बेसेबांसो मोनगोन नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ नायनानै कमेन्ट बक्सआव लिरहरबानो जाबाय। फार्स्ट कुइसन नम्बर 1 आव दङ द सिनोनिम अफ एफेक्शन इज बेनि कारेक्ट एन्सारा जागोन अप्शन नम्बर बी लाभ। नेक्स्ट कुइसन नम्बर 2 fill in the blank with correct form of verb to complete the following sentence. Question: He could not blank his homework properly. Bini correct answer jagan option number B completed. Next question, question number 3. Complete the following English proverb. Question: N blank a day keeps the doctor away. Bini correct answer jagan option number B apple. Next question number 4. What is the opposite gender of breed? Bini correct answer jagan option number C groom. Next question number 5. What is the past tense of drive? Drive ni past tense ma jagan? Drive ni past tense jagan option number D drove. Next question number 6 aw dङ complete the following sentence using correct preposition. Question aw dङ she has been waiting blank 5 o'clock. Bini correct answer jagan option number C since. Next question number 7 aw dङ what is a group of lion called? Bini correct answer jagan option number D fright. Next question number 8. A person who cuts and sells meat is called. बेदर दानग्रा मानसि एबा फानग्राखौ मा होनना बुङोनो? Butcher. Option number B BUTCHER butcher. Correct answer option number B. Question number 9 आव दङ which one of the following is correct? बेनि correct answer जाबाय option number C a horse next. A horse next. Question number 10. What is the house of dog called? Bini correct answer jagan option number D kennel. Next question, question number 11. So लोगोफोर मैथ्स नि भिडिअखौ उननि भिडिअआव होनोसै मानो होनोब्ला मैथ्स बानायब्ला एसे टाइम लायो बेखायनो मैथ्स नि भिडिअखौ होफादेरोब्ला भिडिअआ बांद्राय गोलाव जानो हागौ। दानिया फैदो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चनाव क्वेश्चन नम्बर 21. Which is the most popular country of the world? Bini correct answer jagan Chin China हादराव. Next question, question number 22. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka ni राजधानिया मा? Bini correct answer जाबाय option number D Colombo. Next question 23 number question. Who among the following was the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna? Bharat Ratna. Bini correct answer jagan option number B Indira Gandhi. Next question number 24 aw dङ Who is the author of the book The Discovery of India? Discovery of India बिजाबखौ सोर लिरदोंमोन? बेनि करेक्ट एन्सारा जागोन ऑप्शन नम्बर बी जवाहरलाल नेहरू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नम्बर 25 आव दङ Who was the first woman in space? सोर गिबिसिन अख्राङाव दावबायहैदोंमोन? बेनि करेक्ट एन्सारा जाबाय ऑप्शन नम्बर सी यूरी गागरिन. आरो हिन्जावफोरनि गेजेराव सोर थांदोंमोन फार्स्ट? वेलेन्टिना टेरेस्कोवा. नेक्स्ट 26 आव दङ Who was the founder of Sikh religion? बेनि करेक्ट एन्सारा जाबाय ऑप्शन नम्बर सी गुरु नानक देव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 27 आव दङ Who is now as the Iron Man of India? सोरखौ भारतनि आयरन मेन एबा लहा एबा सोर बुंनाय जायो? बेनि करेक्ट एन्सारा जाबाय ऑप्शन नम्बर ए सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल. क्वेश्चन नम्बर 28 आव दङ When is Teacher Day celebrated in India? भारताव टीचार डे एबा फोरोंगिरि सानखौ माब्ला फालिनाय जायो? बेनि फिनखौ गोबाङानो मिथिखायो जोंनि भारत हादराव टीचार डे एबा फोरोंगिरि सानखौ ऑप्शन नम्बर बी 5 सेप्टेम्बराव फालिनाय जायो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नम्बर 29 आव दङ Who among the following leaders was not a president of India? बेनि करेक्ट एन्सारा जाबाय ऑप्शनफोरनि गेजेराव ऑप्शन नम्बर डी Uma Bharti. Next question number 30. Where is the headquarters of the World Health Organization situated? Bini correct answer जाबाय option number C, Geneva. Switzerland नैबे Geneva. Next question दङ question number 31. Davis Cup is associated with which of the following sports? Davis Cup मानि? Davis Cup जाबाय option number B, long tennis. Next question number 32. Who appoints the chief minister of an Indian state? Bini correct answer जाबाय option number B, the governor of the state. Next question दङ question number 33. Where is the golden temple of Sikhs situated? Bini correct answer जाबाय option number D, Amritsar. Question number 34. What was the old name of Chennai? Chennai ni गोजाम मुङा मा लोगोफोर? Chennai ni गोजाम मुङा जाबाय option D, Madras. Next question number 35. In which Indian state is Namdapha National Park situated? भारतनि बबे जिल्लायाव नामदाफा नेशनेल पार्कआ दङ? बेनि एन्सारा जागोन option number C, अरुणाचल प्रदेश. अरुणाचल रायजोआव नामदाफा नेशनेल पार्कआ दङ. Next question 36. Who was the last Mughal emperor? मुगलफोरनि जोबथा राजाया सोर? मुगलफोरनि जोबथा राजाया जाबाय option number D, बाहादुर शाह जाफर एबा बाहादुर शाह जाफर II. Next question 37. Who established the Maurya dynasty? बिनि correct answer जाबाय option number A, Chandragupta Maurya. Next question 38 number. During which rule did the Chinese pilgrim Huanshan visit India? बिनि correct answer जाबाय option number A, Harshavardhan. Next question number 39. Who was the first prime minister of independent India? भारतनि गिबिसिन प्राइम मिनिस्टारा सोर होननानै बुङोब्ला बिनि फिना जागोन option number B, जवाहरलाल नेहरू. Next question दङ Who won the first battle of Panipat? बिनि correct answer जाबाय option number B, Babur. Next question number 41 दङ Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? बिनि correct answer जाबाय option number D, vegetable oil. Question number 42 दङ Which of the following is essential for combustion? बिनि correct answer जाबाय option number A, oxygen. Question number 43 दङ The nucleus of a living coal contains which of the following? बिनि answer जाबाय option number B, ribosomes. Question number 44 दङ Which of the following is not a female reproductive organ? बिनि correct answer जाबाय option number C, breast. Question number 45. Which of the following is true? बिनि correct answer जागोन option फोरनि गेजेराव option number D, sound cannot travel in vacuum. 46 question number दङ Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? बिनि answer जागोन option B, copper. Question number 47 दङ Which of the following is not a part of human eye? Option फोरनि गेजेराव बबे मोनसेया मानसिनि मेगननि अंग नङा? बबे मोनसेया correct answer option number C, tear. Question number 48. Which of the following is not a planet of the sun? गाहायाव होनाय option फोरनि बबे मोनसेया ग्रह नङा? बिनि correct answer जागोन option मोनब्रैनि गेजेराव option number A, Cyrus. Question number 49. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? गाहायाव होनाय option फोरनि बबे मोनसेया greenhouse gas? बिनि correct answer जाबाय option number C, carbon dioxide. Last एबा जोबथा सोंलु question number 50 दङ Which of the following is a synthetic fiber? बिनि correct answer जाबाय option number A, rayon. लोगोफोर भिडिअखौ नायनानै सोर बेसेबांसो मोनगोन बादि कमेन्टआव लिरनो दाबाव आरो नोंथाङा चेनेलाव गोदानै फैदोंब्ला साबस्क्राइब खालामनानै लादो लोगोसे बर' हारिनि सरकारि जब नागिरग्रा लोगो नोंथांमोननो शेयार खालामनो माब्लाबाबो दाबाव।